Good morning, my students. How are you? Today, inshallah, we have Jolly Phonics. We have a new sound. We are going to identify this sound first. Then we are going to recognize this sound. Number 3, we are going to write this sound. Number 4, we are going to blend and segment sounds to make words. Okay, my students? So now, let's have this as a warm-up. Can you read the word for me? Yes, my students, huh? Net. Well done. Okay, how many sound in this word? 3 sound. What is the first sound? Well done. The second one? Well done. The last one? T, t, t. Well done. So here we have the word net. Well done. Now, can you tell me how many sounds in this word? My students? 1, 2, 3. 3 sound. What is the first one? P. What is the second one? E. Excellent. What is the third one? N. So here we have 3 sounds. What is the word again? Pen. Well done. Okay. Now look at this word. How many sounds in this word? 1, 2, 3. Well done. 3 sounds. What are they? P, I, K. Can you read it? P, pick, pick. Well done, my students. Now let's have the new sounds. Let's hear the story from the teacher. Listen to the story. One day, Heidi and her brothers, Hani, Hisham, and Hashim, went on a picnic with their mom and dad. Their dad was wearing hat. Their dad said to them, "Let's play in the park. Let's make race. Are you ready?" Heidi and her brothers were very happy. They said to their dad, "We are gonna to hop, okay? And we will see who will be the winner." His dad was standing there and waving with his hat. Heidi and her brothers were hopping, hopping. Heidi was the winner, and she was very tired. She making the sound. So what is the sound for today, my students? Excellent. We have the sound. We have the sound down, down, up, round, flick. Excellent. So this is the sound. We have the sound. Okay. So this is the action for the sound. You have to put your hand in front of your mouth and say, this is the action for the sound. Okay, my students. Now, are you ready to hear the song for the sound? Listen.
I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all
Did you like the song? Good, me too. So I like to hop. Look at this boy. He's hopping. Hop, hop with one leg. Hop. Okay. What is the sound? Well done, my students. Now, can you circle the sound? Let's recognize the sound here. Where is the sound? Yes, this is hat. Huh? Hug. Where's the sound? Yes, this is the sound. Huh? Hill. Where is the sound? Well done. Can you read this word? Hot. This is hen. Here we have the sound hut. Okay, this is the sound hand. Hand. Hit. Hit. Okay, good. Now, how can we write this sound? Down, down, up, up. Again. Okay, let's do it again. Down. Okay, down. Then up, round, like this. Round. Then flick. Now I want you to write this sound on your booklet. You are going to start from the dot from line number 1 till line number 3. So line number 1, yes. Line number 3, yes. Line number 3, line number 2, yes. Line number 3, yes. Line number 4, no. Don't touch line number 4, okay? Start from the dot from line number 1 like this. Down, down, then up to line number 2, then down, flick. Okay, do you know now how to write it? Excellent, my students. Okay, now, can you read this word for me? My students? Sorry. Hen, well done. Hit, excellent. Heb, well done, my students. Now let's see this word. Hat. How many sound? 3 sounds. What is the first one? What is the second one? Well done. What is the last one? T. Excellent. Now look at the second word. What do we have? Can you read it? Hen. Well done. What is the first one? What is the first sound? What is the second one? What is the last one? Hen. Well done. Now, as a homework, I want you to select all sounds here. You have to make tick. For example, the first one, is it sound? Yes, so you have to make tick. Is it? No, so no tick here. Now the third one, okay, look all of them and you have to make tick for the sound. Okay, my students? That's all for today. Thank you. Goodbye.